Hello, everyone. Today we are having a party. And the first thing to do is to prepare some treats. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Wow, there are so many fruits in here. What can we make out of these? Right, a fruit salad. We always have to wash fruits before we eat them. Let's start with the pear. Just look how green it is. Here we go. To make our salad, we need to cut the pear. Don't worry, I will be very careful. Great! Up next is a banana. It's yellow. I know that it has skin, but I'd better wash it anyway. Now, I will cut the banana into 3 pieces. Here is one. And here are 2 more pieces. Very well. Do you know what this is, friends? You are right. It's a strawberry. And it's red. Let's cut our little strawberry too. Oop! Don't run away from me! Strawberries have these green leafy parts, which we don't eat. We will take only this piece for our salad. Aha! I wonder if you know what this fruit is called. Any guesses so far? I think we need to cut it so you recognize it. Okay, let's see. It's a green kiwi. Do you like kiwis, friends? I know I do. And this is a juicy watermelon. It has so many colors. Watermelons always remind me of summer. And what about you, friends? The watermelon is the last ingredient for our fruit salad. I will cut it too. Now let's put everything into a bowl. Here we go. This looks so yummy, right? Just a few drops of lemon juice. And the salad's done. Next on the menu is a fresh smoothie. And guess what the first ingredient will be? It's a banana! Look at this one! It is so funny. I love smoothies with bananas. They turn out sweet and they are so good for your health. Let's take the peel off. Ooh, look at these yellow balls. We shouldn't eat them, friends. But it's so fun just to play with them. Aha! I've got 2 pineapples. One is pink and the other one is blue. I am going to cut off their leafy parts now. Do you want to see what's inside them? Woo! These little balls have no color. They are see-through. And this is some kind of a magic fruit. It looks like a banana, but it's bright pink. So beautiful. Can you imagine if there was a fruit like this one? What would it taste like? Nice guess. I'm going to cut its peel now. Whoa! These pink balls are everywhere. And they go straight into our bowl. Just like this. Now let's put this thing down and turn our blender on. I prepared this beautiful jar for our smoothie. Everything will not just be tasty, but looking good too. Here comes the straw. Oh, I really like how nice it turned out. But we need more food to feed all my friends. So, next on the menu is a vegetable salad. Here's a red tomato. We need to wash it really well. Who here loves tomatoes? Or maybe tomato juice? Wow, so many of you. Tomatoes are full of vitamins, so we all should eat them. I'm cutting this one into 2 pieces. And here is an eggplant. It's purple, and it's a vegetable too. It's rather big, so we need to cut it in half. I'm already on it. Here is one more vegetable. I am sure that you all know what it's called. A carrot. Carrots are orange. Bunnies and horses love to eat them very much. Now, I will use this special tool to peel it off. Like this. Great! Let's cut it too. Here we go. I am going to use only one piece of carrot for my salad. Hop! Hop! Wow! We've got 2 more vegetables here. Let's wash them really well. Do you recognize them, friends? What are these? This is a green bell pepper. It's just what our salad needs. There we go. And these 2 little buddies are called corn and mushroom. There are some mushrooms that we should not eat. It is very important to be able to define them. But our mushroom is very healthy and tasty. Let's add it to our salad too. Ah, we nearly forgot our friend, onion. Onions always make people cry when we cut them, but they are not bad at all. I will put all my vegetables into this bowl now. I hope it is not too small to fit them all. Very well. Now we need to add some salt. And some pepper, too. A little bit of lemon juice and our vegetable salad is ready. Let's get to the main dish. I need some butter. This amount is just about right. I'm going to melt it down on the frying pan. Let me just turn my cooker on. And here we go. I want to fry some fish, so let's scale it first. I have some friends who would love to eat fish very much. I'm going to put it into the frying pan. This is very nice. But guess what? We need to make one more main dish. Let's roast some meat in the oven. To do that properly, we need some salt and some pepper. I will rub it all really well. This way. Now I will take my special pan for the oven and pour some vegetable oil in it. And just like that, the meat is ready to go into the oven. Carefully. It is hot inside. Let's see if the meat is ready. Wow, the smell is amazing. And it looks good, too. A couple more seconds and our tasty fish will be ready as well. I've got just the right plate for it. You go here, fishy. And you, big guy, are going right over here. Great! Friends, look at all the food we prepared today all together. A vegetable salad. A fruit salad, a smoothie, fried fish, and roasted meat. We can call the guests.
Hello, everybody. I'm Uni, the unicorn. It is nice to meet y'all.
And I am Charlie, the monkey. Glad to see you.
Yippee!
We are here, too. It's Kitty and Ducky, and Sonia, the dog. We are so hungry. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my party. I've made these treats especially for you.
Wow, it's a lot of food. And is it a fish?
Woof! That's right. It's fish right next to the meat. I love fish. Can I have some? Of course! I fried it for you, Kitty. Thank you. This meat smells so good. I want to taste it. Of course, Sonia, but don't eat all of it, in case somebody else would want to taste it. Thank you, it's tasty. For Charlie, we have a special salad today. Look, Charlie, it's a banana.
I love bananas. And watermelons. And all the fruits there are in this salad. Thank you.
Oh, friends, look. Ducky seems to like vegetables more than fruits. And what is the unicorn doing? Uni, how do you like our smoothie? It's so good! Well, dear friends, is everyone full? I am full. Thank you for the smoothie.
And for the fried fish, too. It was tasty.
I loved the fruit salad. Yum, thanks. Yes! Thank you all for your help with cooking today. We all had a great meal. Woof! You are such great cooks, friends. If you want, you can all become great chefs when you grow up. I can't wait to see you again in our next video. Don't forget to give your thumbs ups to this video and subscribe. Bye-bye.